Another awesome video is called Maverick here. So I'm here with another free mining site, which is the USDT mining site, where you can mine free USDT. So basically, I'm going to teach you guys how to go about this platform, make money on this platform, and withdraw your money. So stay tuned to the end of this video. So what you have to do is click on here, paste your TRC20 USDT wallet, and then you click on enter. So use that easy. You can create your account, you can log in that way. Do you understand? So basically, this is the mining section. Immediately you create your account, you'll be mining automatically with 5 hash power. Do you understand? So basically, if you want higher hash power, all you have to do is click on deposit. But before getting the deposit, you have to check the amount of hash power you want to buy first. Do you understand? So over here, one USDT per hash power. So you click on the amount of you have your calculator over down here. So let's say you want to get 500 hash power. So as you can see, you'll be making 2 USDT per hour, 550 per day, and then 350 per week, and 1,500 per month. So this is how you calculate your profits in the future. So you select the amount of hash power you want to get, and then as you can see, you've seen how much you're going to be making in a month. So all you have to do is you go back to your deposit, and you'll be getting the address here. So what you have to do is copy from this address and go to your wallet and send the amount of USDT you want to deposit. Do you understand? So click on copy, send over the USDT, and then you're going to automatically confirm your payment, and then you can then go over to the buy power and purchase the amount of hash power you want to get. Do you understand? So that's basically how to deposit and buy power on this platform. Okay, so I'm going to show you guys how to earn higher without depositing too. And over here is the affiliate section. You click on the affiliate section, and you are going to be getting 10% from your referrals, 10% per referrals. Do you understand? So the more you refer, the more you earn from this platform. So basically, all you have to do is click on copy address, and click on copy your affiliate link, and then share it on all platforms to refer your friends and family on this platform. So you are going to earn higher. So that's basically how to refer people to this platform, and you are going to be getting referral commissions from each person you refer. Do you understand? So that's basically how to earn from this platform. So don't sleep on this platform. The sign up link will be in my description box. So do well to head over there, click on it, and start up earning for yourself. Do you understand? Start earning for yourself. And basically, I'm going to show you guys how to withdraw from this platform. So you click on withdraw, and as you can see over here, you click on max. That's if you want to withdraw everything you have, or you can clear this and impute the amount of USDT you want to withdraw. Do you understand? So click on this, and then you click on withdraw. So basically, it doesn't even take time. As you can see over here, what is the minimum withdrawal? The minimum withdrawal amount on our platform is 50 USDT. How long does it take for the USDT withdrawal to be processed? USDT withdrawals on our platform are usually instantaneous. So as you can see, placing your withdrawal, you are going to be getting your money immediately, or few seconds to be confirmed by the USDT blockchain. So the withdrawal is very, very quick and doesn't take long. Do you understand? So what you have to do on this platform is you sign up, you start mining, buy hash power if you want to, refer your friends to earn higher, and that's basically it. You place your withdrawal and you've made free USDT from this platform. So do well to sign up, and stay tuned for my next video. Join my Telegram channel to get updates like this from me, and subscribe to my channel to receive notifications on my next videos. So peace out.